right, so welcome to the Prestige X70. This is the beginning of a new range for us called the X line, which is a crossover concept, a very new concept, which is going to complement the flybridge range that we have from 42 to 68 feet and the sports coupe range from 42 to 68 feet as well. Beginning of new range, so that's the X70. If we go throughout the boat, before we get into the cockpit, here we've got a hydraulic platform with the other steps on the side, access to the skipper cabin, and the engine room is through the staircase here on the starboard side. And this is a very nice new option called the Beach Club package. It folds up against the transom. You have the option comes with a sound system, lights, and this very nice shower here on the transom. So imagine when you are at anchor with this access to the water, it's very nice. Let's get on the cockpit. If you come all the way here, you've got a very good idea of what we call the infinity cockpit, with glass in the back. So imagine with the ocean all around. When you're sitting in your cockpit, you look at the ocean, you look at the sea. So we achieved this very long cockpit and very wide cockpit by basically removing the side decks. That was a very big point in the architectural design. So the side decks are now up on the flybridge. So to go to the front of the boat, you can either go from this staircase or this staircase, and you can also go through the boat and through the door over there on the side. So this very innovative layout gives us plenty of space in the salon. You've got all the beam, and at the same time you get a very big cockpit here on the back, a traditional layout. You would have the doors of the cockpit about here. So also everything is modular in this boat. Aside from the couches on the sides, everything is modular, so you can really choose the way you want a boat. If you want to dine outside or if you want to dine inside, we can have this table in the inside. We could change the sun pad by low coffee tables, cocktail tables. It's really about the use of the use you want to give to your boat. Plenty of storage under the seats and in the sun pad. And here you have a very nice boarding gate. Very nice boarding gate. And if you want to choose for another layout with one single staircase, so you would remove this staircase, and instead of that, you could have the galleys all the way to the front. So you could have a summer galley here with a fridge, an extra large barbecue, and some storage. And you have an ice maker on the other side. So a complete galley on the outside as well. So let's go on the inside now. You see how the flush deck. So it's really nice to blend the interior and the exteriors when the doors are open. We do have here an option for motion censored electric doors, just like to get in and out of a hotel. And here you really have you really see the layout with the full beam salon and with those big windows all around the boat. It's really cool also inside the boat. The way it's designed with the inverted windshield and the flybridge on the aft, keeps the air conditioning down in the boat. You have some nice features as well. If you wanted, you could have. You have electric windows, those big loggia windows that comes down on each side. You can see it on the other side over there. Just like a balcony on your cruise boat, right?
really cool. I like that.
Yeah. That's really nice. All the attention to detail, the wood finish everywhere, the marble countertop in the galley and all the furniture. The sofas are high-end, French-made, Duvivier leather sofa. And again, all freestanding furniture, so if you wanted to have dining table here, we could totally do that instead of the sofa here on the starboard side. So another nice thing with the modularity is when you're done with your day boating and you come back to the dock and you want to watch your game or watch a movie, you take the blinds down, bring the TV down from above the galley there, and you could even add some privacy with the curtains here. And this is a device that called ship control, where you can control the light, the air conditioning, and the music. So here, for example, I can move this here and brings the sound up for the TV.
What is this? This is glass and wood?
Yeah, it's kind of a piece of art. It's a mix of, it's wood, yeah. It's wood and, it's wood. Luminax, I think. Okay, quickly on the galley. The marble countertop, you have all the appliances here with the large Miele fridge. All the appliances are Miele. The vitroceramic cooktop, the microwave oven. You've got a dishwasher here. And here a very nice cupboard with a dedicated storage for an espresso machine, the plates, your Dyson vacuum cleaner, and some more storage. So very nice piece of furniture. Okay, and that's access to the helm, very nice helm, and as well side door for the access to the foredeck, with only 2 stairs here to get on the foredeck. Very nice flat foredeck with our foredeck lounge package. Very nice, very and simple to maintain the visibility from the helm seat, and in case you would want to use the foredeck. But again, on this boat, the party happens in the back with the air flybridge. Let's get on the flybridge now. Only 4 gradual, very gradual stairs to get up to the flybridge. The aft section of the flybridge again is very modular. You've got plenty of space with the shade on top. The flybridge galley here with a sink, electric grill, another ice maker, and storage. And the galley is complemented by some more wet storage here and a big fridge on this side. And on the other side, you've got a dining table for 4 and up to 6 people. Very nice elm seats here, carbon fiber finish, with two large Raymarine screens, very nice visibility to the front of the boat and all the way around. 4 joystick stations on the boat. One is here on the flybridge, one at each helm, up on the fly and down below, and another one on the aft cockpit. All right?
Yes. That's very interesting with the stairs, how we...
Yeah.
It was only a few stairs that way, yeah.
Yeah, right?
Let me just get a shot of that real fast.
Yeah, it's only 4 stairs. Go back and have a look at the cabins quickly. All right. So we can go down this side if you want. The boat is powered with a twin IPS 1350. That's the biggest engine package. You get a cruising speed of 18-20 knots, fully loaded, with a top speed of 26 to 28 knots. And the boat is equipped with the an optional Seakeeper 18 for greater, stability.
Let me know you enjoyed this video by giving it a like, and if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you're kept up to date on other uploads for your boating pleasure.